Glover Corporation's wide format department produces a wide variety of custom print and contour cut signs used for storefront window graphics or for large or small product labeling. In this video, we will show how the Rollin will print and contour cut labels for brewery tanks. Our Rollin wide format printer uses a 6-color process to print high-resolution graphics. It also has the capabilities of printing metallic silver and white ink. We begin by printing black letters with a red background on a vinyl material. After the printing process is complete, the machine will make a contour cut around each letter. When the contour cutting is completed, we remove the waste from the printed areas. Now the sign is ready to be prepared for lamination and transfer tape. After the transfer tape has been applied, the sign is ready for installation. Here is the final product applied to the brewery tanks. Here are some other signs that we have produced using the Rollin wide format printer with contour cutting. If you are looking for storefront window graphics or product labels, please contact Glover Corporation. We will be glad to assist you on your next contour cut labeling project.